Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in this today's look I will have for you this beautiful, flawless, current glam routine. This is my glam routine for this summer. This time I'm wearing this as my routine. It is a very warm tone look, wearable look, matches to almost all the skin tones of you and easy to do it. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my eyebrow style 11 medium brown, and this is it. Then I have sculpted them up with my Usa's liquid concealer in the shade Fair, excuse me, and I have prepared my lids with the same concealer. And then I have set up my concealer with my Kylie Girl to Color powder cake. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will have for you my favorite glam routine, my current glam routine, which is very easy, very suitable for all of you, very wearable for many hours in the day. So, I will use only one tone color. My 7 Cool Shadow Matte and Metallic Eyes, which is this very nice palette with one tone colors. And I'm gonna take this, which is a very nice color, warm brown, medium brown color, and I will have my crease with that. Very beautiful look. This is a new brush for me, eyeshadow blending brush, which is that type, which will help me to apply my crease very nicely with circular motions, as we have told many times, starting from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner and a little upwards under my brow bone. It is very easy, I insist on that. And warm tone colors, I have told you many times, matches to almost all the skin colors, my friends. And they are for all the day, for all the seasons. Then I will take with a flat brush, which is this, a light nude color, which is this. This is a very nice light nude color, and I will apply that onto the lid. Of course, under my brow bone area, I will use my infallible palette, which is this, and this is a very nice light beige, light nude color, light highlighter for the under brow bone area, which I'm gonna use, and for the inner part of the lid. Just a few coffee while I work, because I need iced coffee. Moving on to the other eye with the same way, from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner with circular motions, and back and forward and a little upward under the brow bone area. Very easy for you, very suitable, very wearable, very easy to wear in all the day. With the same flat brush and the same champagne nude color, I apply this on the lid. Very beautiful. And of course, on the under brow bone area, we use our infallible palette to apply some highlighter. And as we have told many times, the highlighter must be in the same undertone color that it is the whole makeup. If you have warm look like this is, you use warm tone highlighter. If you have a cool tone makeup look, you use a cool tone highlighter. What else I'm gonna do? I think I will apply, if you won't do that, don't do it. But I will apply a little eyeliner, chocolate brown by Tommy T. I will not do an angled liner. I will have some only onto the root, because as we have told, it is a daily look. So I apply some of that only to the root. A small line. You can do that and with a pencil, an eye pencil, but I prefer the eyeliner. I really love that. And onto the other eye. I don't need much of that, more of that. And of course, I will continue with this type of false lashes, because I will wear and false lashes. They are 6D. Of course, before I will apply my Vortex Mon Rêve mascara, and I have used my lash curler, and then I will wear my false lash. I'm going to wear my false lash off camera and coming back. My lashes are ready, and now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. Continue. MUA Pro Base Oil Free Primer. For me, moisturizing primer, because I have a combo to dry skin. For you, if you are a very oily person, use in this zone of your nose and on your chin a more mattifying primer, and on the rest of the face use a moisturizing primer. If you are a dry person, use this with it to the moisturizing primer and apply it, and onto the neck, all the products, all the liquid products we apply, and onto the neck with my finger. And of course, continue with my Golden Rose High Definition Foundation 115 Golden Base. This is a very nice matte foundation. Taking my Kabuki brand by Cosmo Fan number 104. Of course, in this, I will apply a some of that foundation by Cyan, which is Pure Finish Foundation Natural Sun 25. This is very moisturizing. I mixed both of them. I really love to mix foundations. Sometimes I mix in 3 of them. I will start to apply the product with, of course, the Kabuki brush down onto the neck, and then I'll continue to apply my product with my wet beauty blender, of course. The next step is my concealer. My Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer 08 Buff. Watch me out. I'll apply concealer on the inner part of the lid, as you see. Only on the outer corner, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, and on the chin area. You don't need in other places concealer. This is enough. And of course, and this I will apply. And over that, I will apply the lighter concealer, only a few dots here, to give some more brilliance, more brightness to my face. And this I will apply, of course, with my beauty blender, as I always do. Never apply concealer under the center of the bottom eye area, because it's gonna cause you wrinkles and it's not will look good, very nice. Apply some on the outer part, on the inner part, and blend it up very, very nicely with your beauty blender. And of course, continue with my MUA Bronze Cream espresso in the same espresso with this kabuki brush. This is my cream bronzer, which I'm gonna apply on this point, on the forehead, and on the chin area, and some of that nearby the nose. Some of that, not very much. This won't, because it is a cream product, very good blending, of course, with the same beauty blender. Continue with my liquid blush by liquid cream blush by MUA in the shade Watermelon, and this I'm gonna take with that, with this type of brush, apply some on the highest point of the face, onto the cheekbone, and apply it with that type of brush quickly, and don't be afraid if it is a little intense, and a little on your nose. Very nice, this product. And of course, continue with my glitter padding highlighter, which is a very nice rose gold highlighter, and this I'm gonna apply some with my finger, but I will continue to apply this product with my beauty blender to have the best result. Very beautiful, this liquid highlighter. If you are a beginner, it is not necessary to apply liquid products. If it is a little difficult for you, watch out my videos if you want to show you to look the right techniques on how you can learn to apply liquid products, start to apply powdery products, and then watch out some of the videos to learn how you can do that, and try sometimes to do the best way, and then apply liquid products first, as we have told, and then powdery. It is easy for you, it's not difficult, I have to say. We finished with liquid products, and now taking our, always we use a loose powder to apply under the bottom eye area to set up. I will apply some product, I will do a mini bake under my bottom eye area, under the cheekbones and on the chin, and some here onto the temples between. I will leave this product about 2-3 minutes the most. Continue with my Wet n Wild contouring palette contour in the shade Caramel Toffee. This is my powdery contouring. Onto the same point we have applied the other liquid product. Always tap off the excess of the product onto the forehead, of course. We tap off always the excess of the product so we can take the right quantity we need. Of course, taking my Peach Shine highlighting powder over the cheeks, and my infallible palette, which I'm gonna take this, which is a very nice champagne color as a highlighter, onto the bridge of the nose, between the brows, and onto the cupid's bow. Of course, now I'm going to dust off all the excess powder. We don't need to leave it more, it is enough. I'm taking my Usha's pressed powder to apply and to clear the other powder. Going to end up with the under eye area. I'm gonna take the same color I have used onto the crease to apply onto the under bottom eye area. Of course, we don't forget the bottom eye area. We apply all the colors we have applied onto the lid and into the bottom eye area. We take the champagne color into the inner corner, of course. In this case, I'm taking a brown color for the waterline area. It is a brown look, not a black. And if you want the black, it will be okay, but I prefer the brown. And of course, my mascara, which I'm gonna apply only a coat onto the bottom eye, not matte mascara. Let's connect all the products with my beauty blender. And the last step, lips. Usas Cosmetic Pencil 03, which is a light brown. Very nice lip liner. Starting always to apply your lip liner from the middle of your lips, the heart of your lips. Starting from the heart and going, and I will apply my Shine Lip Gloss Brilliant Shine 15 Sweet Toffee, a very nice lip gloss, the classic brown. And over that, I will apply my 12 Sugar Plum. This is a very nice light pink brown over into the middle, not in all the lips, only into the middle. And of course the last step, Fiore Vita Makeup Fixing Spray. The last step that it is very important so we can keep our makeup look last during all the day. Well, my friends, this is my complete finished look for you. It is an easy look, as you see. Only 2 colors in shadows, 2 lip glosses, very nice look. Only 1 line by 2 waterline, our last root. If you don't do it, if you won't do it. So my friend, this is my complete finished look for you. If you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!